Welcome to TOEFL versus IELTS on English Mastery Hub. Today we are discussing the IELTS listening section. The IELTS listening section is 30 minutes long, but then you get given an extra 10 minutes at the end to transfer your answers onto the answering sheet. Each audio will only be played once, so it is crucial that you listen carefully and that you prepare for the IELTS listening exam by familiarizing yourself with the different English accents from Australia, from America, Canada, the UK. You must be familiar with all these different accents. The exam is divided into 4 parts. Part 1 is a conversation between two people, generally trying to perform some sort of transaction, booking a plane ticket, booking a train ticket, something like that. Part 2 is either giving a presentation or a tour, for example, of a museum or a garden, and you have to follow around on the tour and listen for the names of various items. Part 3 is a teacher and students discussing an academic topic, and Part 4 is a speech or a lecture. So the questions appear in the order that you hear them in the audio. So it is vital to keep up with the audio and not get stuck on one particular thing, because then you miss what may be the answer to the next question. There are 8 question types. I'm going to mention them briefly. The first one is a flow chart or a table where you are required to listen and complete information on the chart. The second question type is a single word answer. Now remember, as I said before, if they tell you one word or a number and you put 2 words, your answer will be marked wrong even if it was correct. So that's a difficult pill to swallow. Please remember that and follow the instructions carefully. The third question is to complete a sentence. So you will find information written down, you listen to the audio and complete the sentence with the missing information from the audio. Question 4 will be a plan that you have to label. Question 5 will be a map. And question 6 could be a diagram. All of these you have to label when you've listened to the audio. And then question 7 is multiple choice. You will be given 4 options and you need to choose one. And then question 8 is matching questions. So you will have a set of questions and a set of answers, and you have to match them together. Generally, there will be more answers than questions, and so it is quite important that you match them correctly. And then, as I said at the beginning, you get 10 minutes at the end to transfer your answers onto the answer sheet. So that's a nice bonus. But that's all that I can tell you about IELTS listening. If you are preparing for either the IELTS or the TOEFL exam, be sure to register on English Mastery Hub and book lessons with our experienced tutors. They will most definitely help you to achieve success in your exam. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.